Yes, student. Now the next one is the dynamic nature. General characteristics of physical equilibrium. First characteristic is equilibrium is dynamic in nature and is not static. Okay, static, that is, even at equilibrium the processes means forward and backward do not stop, but it remains continue. Means what? The forward process and the rate of backward process becomes equal. Okay, and it continuously occurs. Therefore, it is known as dynamic in nature. The second one is at equilibrium the relative concentration of two different phases becomes constant at a given temperature. Relative concentration means, suppose if we take the example of soda water bottle. Okay. Here the CO2 gas is filled under the pressure, and thus the CO2 gas present in the liquid solution and the CO2 gas present in the evaporated part, they remains, that is, their concentration remains constant at equilibrium. Third one is equilibrium involving gases. Okay, only takes place in the closed vessel. I told you earlier. Okay, otherwise if the vessel is not closed, then the gas will release out and the equilibrium will disturb, because we know that at equilibrium some measurable properties must be remains constant whenever the equilibrium established or attained. Otherwise the equilibrium will not establish, it will be disturbed. Okay, like CO2 gas and CO2 present in the solution, not takes place at closed vessel. At equilibrium some measurable properties, okay, like temperature, pressure, and pressure of the system becomes constant. That is, automatically we will find there will be no change in this temperature and pressure. Okay, for example, in solid liquid equilibrium, okay, both the phases coexist, means ice and water, okay, remains in the same vessel. Their quantity also remains constant at particular set of temperature and the pressure. Here, if we take the example especially for H2O solid, that is what ice, and H2O liquid, that is what water, then at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, the two phases will coexist, and this temperature and pressure is known as the melting point of ice and boiling point of freezing point of liquid. Okay, this is called 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin temperature. Getting? So these are some general characteristics of physical equilibrium. Next, in the next video, we will discuss the type of chemical equilibrium, some examples of chemical equilibrium, and the characteristics of chemical equilibrium.